I'm having some tea so that I go to the farm. It's very hot. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. This is another vlog, guys. Thank you always for coming to support me. I appreciate the love. So today we are talking live from the village. In case you are new here, my name is Grace Kerry Mission. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, guys, so that you get notified of the next video. So today we are going to the farm, and we are going to pluck tea, and you have to carry this basket here, as you see that I'm carrying over my head. And the farm is very far away from my home, so we'll have to walk a long distance, like, so that we go and pluck the tea. So hope you enjoy the video. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what time do you wake up at your village to go to your farm, if you are at a village, guys. Like the video. So let's move and see what's going to happen, guys. Today the weather is this. It is very foggy because it has rained the whole night, like, and the whole place is very foggy. That's why you are seeing me wearing a full neck, as you see, guys, and it's very cold. And where we are going to pluck the tea, it is like at the side. The place is very, very, very cold. You can hear the birds. The birds are making noise. The birds have waked up like anyone who is looking for food. Wow. My socks are disturbing me. So we have to walk down. This place is very muddy. As usual, as other people tell me from outside there, the roads are very dirty. So the village is so the road is, guys, as when it has rained, it's very much disturbing, and you have to wear some boots, as you see. If you don't have boots, it's gonna be a mess for you. You're gonna fall down and howl like no one's business, guys. This cause someone is coming from over there. Is it started drizzling? What's kind of okay. Ngamuteri gose no.
Opposite Fiji, Tivicha.
Ani. The buying center, guys. We want to bring the tea over here. Waki. So guys, my God, yo. Yeah. So guys, we are heading to the garden. People started assisting us, so that's why we came. At least when we are a lot like we're gonna do the work, it's gonna be easy for us, guys. Easy. There's still like one person over there. Nje nanyoru. Wakira. Ngake kasir. Ewa. Ngete no muri mugondo. Ndero chit.
이거는 왜 이건 왕진해 지금 이거.
You see, it rained last night. It rained, so you may find a lot of rain. So what if the road is not that good? That's how you find that the water is standing. Is it standing or on the road? For those bad roads, this just like that, guys. So let me know in the comment section where you are watching us from. You see, people are still at the plucking tea, guys, and the sky is glittering as you see. Oh. Glittering. If you see the sky is glittering like this, then it means that it is going to rain overnight. It's going to rain overnight. And the transportation here is only motorbikes. Sometimes we don't have public cars here at the interior, guys. We only have motorbikes. So if you want to go somewhere, you have to go by motorbike, and that is it, guys. Yeah, guys, sometimes you can tie your animals on the road. No one is disturbing them, or no one gonna steal them. That's how you tie, and then you can come to collect them like late in the evening, you see. Hello, goat. Hello. How are you? Good morning. Okay. So guys, that's how we carry our baskets. That's how we carry our baskets on your head, because you cannot carry it maybe on the side with on a hand. We put it on our head. Mostly. Let me know in the comment section, guys, how you black your tea. Bala.